In the Notes app, we can now create links to other notes rather than only to web pages. I have a new note here with a simple list of travel destinations. And there are already a couple older notes with information on Chile and New Mexico. So if I select the Chile/Patagonia text in this note, then tap Add Link, we can now enter a web address or simply begin typing the name of another note. When I enter Chile, the other note or notes with that in their title will appear. Tap to add the link. Down here, we're able to edit the text that will be shown for the link. I'm going to stick with Chile/Patagonia. Tap Done. And now if we tap on this link, that note will be automatically opened. Let's do the same for the New Mexico Taos text. This time when I add the link, I'm going to change the text to the name of the linked note, which will be New Mexico Road Trip Destinations. Using this method adds a note icon to the link, which can make it easier to know that this does indeed link to a note and not a web page. To remove a link, the text has to be selected, which can be a little tricky because if you tap on the text, the link note will open. A double tap to the side of the linked text will display selection handles. Then tap and drag to highlight all the linked text, then remove link. I'm going to quickly re-add that link. These links will work the same way on iPhone, and links will sync between your iCloud connected devices, including your Mac. So when you begin linking notes, those links will work on all your devices, as long as you have notes being synced with iCloud. Learn much more in our full Notes for iOS and Mac tutorial.